Well, update on the Mustang. Been working on it. This is the next step. Been taking the fenders off. So I got the fender off here. I'll be pressure washing and cleaning all this area, sandblasting it, getting all the engine and everything straightened out. This fender's next. I'll be having this one off. I'm going to sandblast the engine and paint it, and I'm going to clean up these fenders, clean these fenders up, reuse these fenders. Fenders are still good, just need cleaning and painting. I'm going to be washing, blasting them off and stuff. Anyway, that's the next part of it. Clean all this up. All right, I'll see you next time.